lock button right now. That'll let me know.
Oh,
Hey.
it's perfect. Turn me up. Yeah. Turn me up. Hey. Yeah. What they do. TJ Too Smooth, Trade Your One. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. And it's TJ Too Smooth, Trade Your One. Yeah, sure. Next. I'm next like, yeah. Rolling in a Cadillac, bitch, call me like daddy. Bitch, I'm smooth like cat daddy. Man, what they do. Trade Your One. First of all, this is my first video recording on this new iOS platform. It looks kind of cool to me. Second of all, I just came out of Walmart. I probably should have filmed that little process. I was debating making a video about this, but y'all know me. Y'all know, if you know my channel, you know Trade Your One. You know I am Mr. Fix Your Car. Now, Trey Songz is Mr. Steal Your Girl. I am Mr. Fix Your Car, bro. I will fix my own Cadillac before I take it to the dealer and have them charge me an arm and a leg to do any old thing. So, I was driving around yesterday, and all of a sudden, the headlight on the passenger side goes out. So that means I gotta change out the headlights, and I gotta do it quick because the people, I call them the people, but the police out here in Palm Beach will pull your ass for the slightest thing, and I don't feel like getting pulled over. I've already been skating along with these dark ass tints. I don't want to get pulled over for a headlight. All right, so I would say I wanted HID headlights. That was a plan. I'm like, okay, I want to get HID lights, but I have to replace the headlight like now, you know. So there were two options that I could do. Right, first option, replace just the one headlight that's out with a H11 by, I believe it's called Silver Star, with the H11 by Silver Star. And I believe that they have the brightest, they claim the brightest down road light, right? Let me turn that off because I know that's annoying, y'all. That's my aux cord when it's not plugged in. But yeah, I was like, should I get a H11 by Silver Star, which is the brightest white, right, that you can get before HID, and then, right, just replace that one, and then go ahead and order my HID kit, right, and have that on the way, and then when it gets here, then install HID lights in both headlights, right? Go ahead and do it like that. Or I could just reinstall two Silver Stars, two brand new bright white headlights, right? And then you know, somewhere down the road get HIDs. And what's making sense, honestly, is that I just replace both headlights, right? Even though this is the only one that stopped working, replace them both with Silver Star, the brightest white, and just ride out like that. And then either before or after I put the tint on my headlights, get HID lights. That's what makes sense, because it will put me in the game with two new headlights. They'll be brighter than the factory, and then I won't have to worry about getting pulled over. Now, there's something else that I saw online. The Silver Star XTE, I believe that's what it is. Silver Star XTE H11 bulb. It's supposed to be like a bright blue, like the brightest blue you can get. And I'm about to go to AutoZone real quick. And if it's not at AutoZone, then I'm gonna go to Advanced Auto Parts right down the street. And if it's not there, then guess what, guys? I'm going to Walmart and I'm paying the cheapest price for a Silver Star H11 brightest white. All right, y'all, so I found these. Think about it, it says HID attitude. So I actually don't know if that means that this is an HID light, because I don't have an HID conversion kit, or if it's just saying that it gives off HID style attitude, right? I don't know exactly what they're saying. I gotta do some Googles. This is $63 and a set of two is $53, so I'm only spending $10 more for a ZXE set. And I think at Walmart for a set of H11s, I think it's like 43 or something like that. Thumbnail, I think it's like 43 or something like that at Walmart for two. So you know, $20 more for a much more custom look. So let me just do some Googles real quick and we'll see what we come up with. All right, I made my decision. All right, I'm gonna save money, okay, and I'm gonna order the ZXE bright white headlights from Amazon.com because, bro, $63 in there and they're $34 on Amazon. Why would I do that? Why would I waste $34, 30 extra dollars just to do it all today? I'm not doing that. I'm gonna order the ZXE by, or excuse me, yeah, I believe it's ZXE. I keep saying ZXE. It is a ZXE. So I'm gonna order the ZXE by Sylvania headlights on Amazon, and I'm gonna get them overnight shipped. Hopefully they'll be here tomorrow, and I will continue this video when they do arrive, because listen, bro, I'm not wasting that money. I'm just not gonna drive at night. I'll keep my brights on. I'll be just fine. And just like that, it's been a week. So just like that, it has been a week. And guess what I got in the mail? Let me show you. This right here is the key to not getting pulled over when I just been having my brights on. And as you know, you can get pulled over for that too, riding around with your brights on all the time. So I got what I told y'all I was gonna get: the ZXE headlights by Sylvania, right? If you're wondering and you have a CTS, you want to get the H11 bulb. That's the low beam bulb, and this is the brightest white you can get for the money. Now there is one brighter than this, and it's a gold package. It's a white and a gold package, but I like the way these look. It's like a bright white, and the other one, I just have a fear that that it will drain my headlights. You know, it has like a warning on it, and it says like, not even a warning, just a caveat. And it says like 100% street legal. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to mess with anything that's possibly illegal. Possibly it could just drain out my battery, because that defeats the purpose. If I was gonna do all of that, I could have just went to an LED swap. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, no LED swap, no super expensive bulbs. But these right here in store at AutoZone, I believe I went to, were $59, and I got them on eBay for $35. And I'll leave that link in the description below for you CTS owners or anybody who has an H11 bulb and would like to replace those. So anyway, man, if you guys don't know, it is a process and a journey to get to this headlight. You actually have to remove the bumper in order to replace the low beam bulb, or any of these bulbs for that matter. You got to remove the bumper. So that's exactly what I'm about to do, and I'm going to show you all how to do that. If you know me, again, I am Mr. Fix Your Car. You guys saw me change the spark plugs in my DTS, so replacing some headlights in the CTS and taking the bumper off, couple screws, that's child's play, right? How hard could it be? All right, y'all, so the first tool you're gonna need, something to drink. My tool of choice is the strawberry passion fruit refresher by Dunkin' Donuts. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts, they are not sponsoring this video. You're gonna want to take off this cover right here, this dust cover, off the top of the engine, because there are a few screws that are holding in the top of the front bumper. And again, like I said, you got to remove the front bumper just to get to the headlights. So let's do that. Yeah. Treasure one. Yeah. Y'all, you want to be really careful with these. Like I pried this up like ever so gently, and I think I heard a piece of plastic drop into the engine bay. So be careful. I'm not gonna take this whole thing off because apparently this dust cover is connected also to a bumper that seals the hood of the car. So I'm just gonna lift this up and just move it out the way versus taking it off the car. You guys follow me, you're smart, you get this. Okay y'all, so next step, there is a clip here and a clip here that are holding the bumper onto the frame of the car. Now I don't know how yours is set up because apparently from 09 to 2015 there are like little intricate little details that have been changed like on the smallest parts of the car, and I don't know why they did that. Cadillac is just weird, you know. Luxury cars, I guess, they have like a way of just changing two to three things that they saw were wrong, but then the major things, they didn't change them. So I don't know how yours is set up, but we got a clip on mine right here, and there's a screw that's connecting the grill of the car to the bumper. So we're gonna remove that screw and remove those clips. One, two. Y'all, so what you saw me do, I had to turn the car on and then turn the wheel because I'm trying to make room so I can get up under the bumper here, right? Apparently, we're gonna have to take one clip, two clips, three clips off, and then behind here, I believe there's another 10mm bolt. So I'll show you those. I can't really get the camera up under here while I'm working, y'all, and I do apologize for that. But I'm gonna show you every bolt and I'm gonna tell you where it's at as soon as I'm done. Y'all know how I do, okay? So give me 1 second. Be right back. Woo! Do I have a story to tell y'all? I got all of these clips off, and there is only one 10mm bolt right here, up under here, behind this dust wall here, because I wouldn't call it a firewall, it's just plastic. And in order to pull this part of the bumper out, this plastic here is like ridged and it's clipped in, so you have to like reach in with a small screwdriver like me, reach in on the back end here and pry these out one by one, and be very careful because you don't want to break those plastic pieces and then you can't clip your bumper back in nice and flush like it was before you removed it. So that was very taxing, that was very difficult. All right, so I'll see y'all in a second when I go ahead and pull this thing off and down. Too smooth. Okay, y'all, so I know you can hear me. You can't see me, but you can hear me. We ran into a hiccup. The entire light housing will not come out unless this is out of the way, okay? So, because it has to come up and out. In order to drop the whole bumper, I would have to remove another 1 million clips out of the bottom of this damn bumper, which makes no sense. We're not doing that. We're not gonna work against ourselves. So I'm gonna take the bumper off, right? But the only way to take this bumper off, this is aftermarket. I don't know how yours is set up, okay? I hope it's set up like mine. There are 2 screws right here that will allow this bumper to let go from the frame of the car, okay? But behind these screws, okay, behind these screws are 3/8 millimeter bolts. And if you just try to unscrew it with a screwdriver, it won't come out. It just spins in a circle, So you gotta lock it in somehow on the other end. And that's what I'm gonna do with this. And lock it in and screw it out. So watch me do that. Boom, too smooth. Yes, sir. Eureka! I got it!
Finally!
Yes, that moment cannot be repeated in history. I didn't show it. I pulled it out. Y'all, the amount of like effort and struggle I put into that, and the feeling of pure success after pulling this thing out is unmatched. What's up, y'all? I actually removed, like you saw, removed the light. Now remove the back panel here. It has three, what is this? 930 seconds, 932 millimeter bolts on the back. So you remove that, and then you're gonna pop out your light. Stay home as long as you need to. You know it is, because at the end of the day,
my plan, because I already started planning and stuff. Right.
that is truly the main thing out here. Like, damn, them lights bright as fuck. Wow, guys, that is a difference. Let's get the other side and then zip this thing back up. Too smooth. Woo! That thing looking bright now. Gang. Huh? So y'all, this right here is the light that didn't work. It's completely burnt. If you can look at the top of that, that's just completely just seared. And actually the plug itself here is kind of burnt too, but let's go ahead and put this light in, and hopefully I don't have to replace the terminal, because this thing looks fried. Seriously.
Hit my lock button right now. That'll let me know.
Oh,
Hey.
it's perfect. Woo! Yes, sir. Well, y'all, I have officially removed the bumper, put it all back on by myself. I actually fucked up. Let me tell you how I fucked up. I was already done. I already finished. And I left a little back piece off of the back of the light, and I had to put that back on. So I had to remove the whole bumper again, take the light out again, and then put it back on. That shit was hell. I'm tired as hell. It's hot in here. Y'all can see though, the ZXE by Sylvania. Check them out. Nice bright lights. These bitches looking real good, man. So I'm all done. What I need y'all to do, give this video a thumbs up if you like the tutorial. Comment down below what kind of car you have. Do you have a CTS? Do you have a CTS Coupe? Do you have a CTS Wagon? Do you have a CTS V? Let me know if this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth Trader One. We out.